Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Where in the world is your girl today? Well, I'm still in Hyderabad working 9 to 5. Since last 1 month, I've been so occupied in office work that I didn't have any time to work on myself or on the content creation. Well, I did have some time on weekends, but my weekdays was so packed from Monday to Friday. इतना ज़्यादा काम होता था कि Saturdays को I was just lying and doom scrolling and Sunday को मैं थोड़ा घर साफ वाफ करती थी, कपड़े साफ वाफ करती थी और उसी में पूरा दिन चला जाता था. So do I regret not creating content? No, not at all. I think after doing so much of work at office, I was not in the mood to sit and talk on the camera and then edit those videos. So I do not regret it. Do I regret working a lot in the office? Absolutely not. But do I miss creating content? Absolutely yes. तो इस सैटरडे को भरपूर यूटिलाइज करते हुए मैं एक वीडियो बना रही हूँ दैट इज अ लॉन्ग फॉर्म. फर्स्ट आई थॉट कि मैं इसको शॉर्ट्स में सीरीज के पार्ट में कर सकती हूँ, बट देन आई थॉट कि क्यों नहीं एक लॉन्ग फॉर्म ही बैठ के बना लिया जाए. आई एम अ पर्सन जो न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स ही ज्यादा लगाती है, बट दिस ईयर आई थॉट लेट्स चेंज इट, लेट्स ट्राई सम बोल्ड लिप कलर्स एज वेल. मैंने रेड से स्टार्ट किया बट पता नहीं क्यों मेरा रेड के साथ हो नहीं पाता है. सो आई स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग ब्राउन लिपस्टिक्स एंड एक के बाद एक मुझे अच्छी मिलती गई, अच्छा डिस्कवर करती गई मैं. So I do not have a collection of like many lipstick. There are just 9-10 lipsticks in which I will recommend 8 lipsticks today. So I'll be talking about their texture, their longevity, and also show you the swatches of the lipsticks. And now I do think that the intro is becoming very big. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. First up, we have Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. Just look at the texture. I mean, it is so smooth, so creamy, and it has this satiny finish. It is just incredibly lightweight on your lips. मैं इसको कॉलेज टाइम से यूज़ करती आ रही हूँ. आई थिंक दिस इज़ माई थर्ड और फोर्थ पैक. आई रिमेंबर कि मैंने ये लिपस्टिक डिस्कवर करी थी ऑन कोमल पांडेज स्टोरी. शी वॉज जस्ट स्टार्टिंग विद हर पर्सनल कॉन्टेंट आफ्टर पॉप एक्सो एंड शी अप्लाइड दिस लिपस्टिक. इसके बारे में उसने एक स्टोरी भी डाली थी एंड आई सॉ दैट एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड दैट कलर and since it was cheap at Nykaa, I bought it. So it's also a very budget friendly option for college going girls. Anyway, coming back on the lipstick, this is such a versatile shade. It is subtle at the same time very bold. It goes really well with all my office outfits and I also use it with casual fits as well. I mean, किसी भी कलर का कपड़ा पहना हो आपने, ये ब्राउन लिपस्टिक उस पे जरूर जाती है. They also have the same shade in crayon lipstick and also I guess in the liquid matte lipstick range as well. I think that is also similar kind of color, but I absolutely love this one. It's non-drying. It doesn't wear off easily. It is so smooth and creamy. I absolutely love it. It's a non-sticky formula. They do claim that it is a matte lipstick, but it is not at all matte lipstick. It's a proper bullet creamy satin lipstick. ये ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं टिकती है बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्सचर. ऑफ कोर्स ये 3-4 घंटा रहेगी, या अगर आपने कुछ खाना खा लिया है तो उतनी देर भी नहीं टिकेगी. 200 रुपए की लिपस्टिक से 2000 लिपस्टिक तक का सफर है ये. एनीवे, 200 रुपए की लिपस्टिक से सीधे 2000 की लिपस्टिक पे जंप करते हुए माय नेक्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन इज फ्रॉम मैक कॉस्मेटिक्स फ्रॉम देयर मैक्सिमल सिल्की मैट रेंज एंड द शेड इज वर्ल. दिस लिपस्टिक बोasts a creamy smooth texture which is matte. I mean this one gets matte actually. इसको एक बार आप अप्लाई कर लो, थोड़ी देर रुको, बहुत ही क्रीमी है तो वन स्वाइप में अप्लाई हो जाती है एंड देन इट बिकम्स मैट. स्टेज फॉर लॉन्गर आवर्स, इवन 7-8 आवर्स. मतलब मैं इसको ऑफिस लगा के जाती हूँ सुबह एंड इवनिंग तक ये रहती है. इट्स हाईली पिगमेंटेड एंड इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी लाइट वेट ऑन द लिप्स एज वेल. एंड इसको री एप्लीकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है अनलाइक द लास्ट वन. मैं पुराने वाले से कंपेयर क्यों कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज रेंज में इतना डिफरेंस है. नॉट द ब्रांड दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, बट रेंज में इतना डिफरेंस है. ऑब्वियसली दिस इज मच बेटर. दिस मस्ट बी ऑफरिंग समथिंग better from the last one. It has cocoa and shea butter and therefore it keeps your lips nourished and keeps it creamy throughout the day. But I think this is a very good matte lipstick and it gives you that very luxury and expensive wala feel. Look at the swatch of this. बिकॉज ऑफ द रिंग लाइट मे बी आपको बहुत सारी लिपस्टिक वार्म टोन दिखे. आई विश मैं इस वीडियो को नेचुरल लाइट में बना सकती जैसे मैं यूजली करती हूँ, बट देयर इज अ कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन नियर माई प्लेस एंड देयरफॉर वीडियो बनाना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था इवन आफ्टर हैविंग अ माइक, बिकॉज एकदम जस्ट सामने वाली बिल्डिंग में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. इट्स नॉट एब्सोल्युटली कूल टोन, समवेयर a slightly warm toned lipstick, but it looks quite flattering on all skin tones. I've also googled a little bit on this shade. I mean, since its launch in 2015, it is one of the highest selling shade. The shade is Whirl, by the way. If I've told in the starting, I must have told, of course. So yeah, you can try this one. It's a bit expensive but totally worth your money. Moving further, I have next lipstick from Fay Beauty Lip Whip collection, the shade Safe Word. And I have talked about it I don't know how many times in my long form videos and in my shorts and in my reels, but I absolutely love the shade. It's brown and it has to be in this video. मुझे फिर से इसके तारीफों के पुल बांधनी पड़ेंगे. Like, there's no liquid lipstick like this. The texture is amazing and also इसका जो बाहर से शेड दिख रहा है वो एक्चुअली ऐसा है नहीं. Once you apply it, it gets deepen and the shade changes, and जब वो change हो जाता है तो वो और खूबसूरत दिखने लगता है. It has this velvety matte finish. It is such a nice liquid lipstick. I mean, look at that shade. This one is so lightweight and incredibly comfortable on the lips. Of course, it is long lasting. ये इतनी long lasting है that if you don't use a makeup remover to remove it, it will not get removed. It is non-drying. It does not settle in the lines of your lips. It does not get removed also. अगर आपने कुछ खा पी लिया है तो ये थोड़ा lips के अंदर side से lipstick remove हो जाती है, but ये बिल्कुल नहीं हटती है and it stays there for easily 8-9 hours. और जब तक आप इसको remove नहीं कर रहे हो, it will be there for 10-12 hours easily. आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. You would not notice that there is something on your lips, so it is that good. और मैंने पहले भी कहा, जैसे जैसे ये settle down हो रही होती है, it gets slightly deepen and that becomes like a very bold and sophisticated color. So good with my office outfits and with my dresses. Next, I have a crayon lipstick from Sugar from their Matte as Hell crayon lipstick range, and the shade is 08 Jackie Brown. This one is like a proper warm toned brown lipstick, and it is that reddish brown colored lipstick, if you can see. Yeah. It has that silky, creamy, smooth texture which is very easy to apply. It becomes matte after the 4-5 minutes of application. However, it does dry my lips out and थोड़ी सी chip crayon भी है ये, but it is long lasting, stays easily from 7 to 8 hours. So if you are somebody looking for a warm toned brown lipstick, I think this one is really good. You can consider this one. It adds that warmth to your overall makeup look. Even if you haven't done any makeup and just इसको apply कर लेंगे तब भी ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा and you look put together once you apply only this lipstick. It is good. I have not removed it from my collection though. However, it doesn't look very good on me. I look very don't like this one that much on me, but whenever I'm wearing like a very subtle colors, like a very proper white t-shirt, I would, and doing no makeup, I will apply this. So yeah, it's for those days. But as I said, if you're somebody specifically looking for a warm toned brown lipstick, you can definitely try this one. Moving further, I have another bullet lipstick from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cute Nude. Now this one is a warm brown shade, but at the same time it is nude as well. I think like it's warm, but it's like more of a terracotta warm, right? It's not entirely brown shade. It's a warm brown terracotta, beautiful terracotta shade, and that is why I like it. As I said कि मैं उतना warm toned brown lipsticks नहीं use करती हूँ, but this one I use specially with a lip liner because it's a little bit terracotta type and थोड़ा सा orangish हो जाता है, burnt orange की तरह आता है, तो I really like that thing. Quite smooth, glides easily, long lasting भी है, stays there for 4-5 hours अगर आप ज़्यादा खा पी नहीं रहे हैं तो. It's around 300 rupees, so absolutely budget friendly as well. You can definitely prefer this one if you're looking for a affordable option for warm nude lipstick, warm brown nude lipstick, or nude brown lipstick, or also terracotta brown lipstick shades. ये lipstick काफ़ी comfortable है, rich payoff है इसका, pigmented है, affordable है. It's very good to become like an everyday lipstick. Next, I have a very luxury packaging wali lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. It is not very luxury. ये थोड़ा 700-800 की lipstick है. It is from their color rich range. This is the satin bullet lipstick. The shade is Worth It Intense. I bought it around 2 months back and I'm so obsessed with this lip color. It is that chocolatey dark brown shade that looks really rich and expensive on you. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, giving your lips that hydrated and plumpy look. Intensely pigmented and delivers high color payoff. मैंने बहुत गंदा swatch किया इसका. Of course, it's a satin lipstick, तो ये उतनी long lasting तो नहीं होगी. It does have a smell in it, but I am okay with it. Maybe आपको ना पसंद आए क्योंकि इसकी एक वो लिपस्टिक वाली स्मेल है जो पहले मम्मी जो लिपस्टिक लगाती थी उसमें से आती थी, वैसी लिपस्टिक की स्मेल है. आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट फ्रॉम L'Oreal Paris, but है and I am actually okay with it. I absolutely love the shade. डार्क ब्राउन कलर है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है लाइट कलर के कपड़ों के साथ. द शेड वर्थ इट इज वेरी पॉपुलर. अभी ऑस्कर्स में भी काफ़ी लोग इसको पहन के आए थे. इट लुक्स वेरी एलिगेंट एंड वेरी क्लासी एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड. डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट हैव इन योर कलेक्शन. एंड इफ़ यू लव अप्लाइंग ब्राउन लिपस्टिक तो इस टाइप के कलर का, ये डार्क कलर ब्राउन, चॉकलेट ब्राउन सैटिन लिपस्टिक जो पहले ज़माने में हमारी मम्मियाँ लगाती थी, इस टाइप के टेक्सचर की एक लिपस्टिक होना तो ज़रूरी है. Moving further, I have two nude brown lipsticks recommendations. The first one is from Color Bar Power Kiss Vegan Matte Lipstick in the shade Kissiness. It is a transfer-proof lip color that delivers matte finish in just a single stroke. Just like how the Lip Whip is, this also stays for long hours. I mean, इसको remove करना भी बहुत मुश्किल है. However, it does dries out my lips sometimes नहीं. तो maybe because मैंने कभी lip balm नहीं लगाया होगा और इसको apply कर लिया होगा, तो not the lipstick to be blamed. Maybe मैंने अपने lips का care नहीं किया होगा. However, I do feel कि dry out करती है. I'm not sure, but it does settle in your fine line. That is something I'm sure about this lipstick. The formula is lightweight and the lipstick is absolutely transfer proof. Vegan है, तो अगर आप एक अच्छी vegan brown lipstick ढूंढ रहे हैं तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा option है आपके लिए. I usually apply it with a lip liner, then it gives a very beautiful color. And also this as well, just like how Lip Whip is, when it gets deepened it changes the color. Usually शुरुआत में ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा न्यूड सी ब्राउन लिपस्टिक लगती है. वंस इट सेटल्स ये थोड़ा सा डीप ब्राउन हो जाता है एंड दैट लुक्स रियली फ्लैटरिंग. देन दिस लिप कलर बिकम्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल. It offers like a very natural brown shade and I think all Indian skin tone can manage it with lip liners. The shade is perfect for those seeking a long-lasting vegan lipstick. Next and the last lipstick is from Stays 929. Lips Don't Lie Matte Transfer-Proof Liquid Lipstick, which claims to be a 12-hour wear, in the shade Nude Spice. It's a beautiful brown nude shade that will complement all the Indian skin tones. See, it's like a proper nude brown shade. Might look pink in this light, but I'm telling you, swatch में काफी अच्छी लगेगी. Now this one is it's claiming to have like a 12-hour wear, but it is slightly less long lasting. However, it is transfer proof and smudge proof, so it becomes a very reliable option if you want, or if you're going out for 5-6 hours with your friends. Till then, so it will definitely stay. I usually apply it with a lip liner and it looks so beautiful, just the perfect nude brown shade that you would need, or nude shade that you would need in your lipstick collection. I think the lipstick is somewhere around 250 to 280, so that is very affordable, and it has the decent longevity, is super comfortable and very lightweight. The texture is really good. जैसे मैंने बोला कि the last lipstick, that color bar वाली lipstick that does settle down in the fine lines of my lips, it does not. Looks really flattering with a lip liner. What else do you need from a lipstick? ये 300 रुपए की, I don't know the price, but ये 200-300 की रुपए की lipstick has this high rich color payoff. Looks very flattering on fair to medium skin tone especially. सब कुछ है इसमें जो एक expensive lipstick offer कर रही है. Plus it is vegan, it is cruelty free, and it's an Indian brand, so you must try this if you're looking for a good affordable nude lipstick or a nude brown lipstick. Now let's move on to swatches. I will apply each shade that I talked about to give you a better idea that how this shade looks on me.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me.
That's a wrap for brown lipsticks roundup. Do not forget, the best lipstick is the one that makes you feel confident and beautiful. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do tell me your favorite shade from these lipstick recommendations, and if you have your own go-to brown lipstick that you want me to try, definitely comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.